guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing this face for the very first time, hi, my name is Rutuja and I hope you guys are doing fantastic and are safe at home. So welcome to a huge Nykaa hot pink sale haul video. Now trust me when I say it's going to be a huge one, it is going to be a huge one because just look at the products that I have got from Nykaa. So ये पूरा 3 डब्बा भर के मैंने products मंगाया Nykaa से. Also guys, first things first, it's not at all a sponsored video. Just because it was a sale time, I just thought of restocking my favorite products. And not only that, I have a lot of new products in the category of makeup, skincare, body care. And also guys, PS, I'm shooting a Nykaa haul video after a freaking year. So trust me, it is going to be an exciting video and you will be seeing a lot of new products. So yeah, that's about it. Now without any further ado, let's just jump into today's video. So let's start with the skincare and body care products first, and also guys, all the links to the products will be mentioned in the description box, and while I talk about the products, all the price will be flashing on the screen, so do not worry about it. Now the first skincare product that I have with me is a restock product. Now this is the Bioderma Sensibo H2O micellar water. Now this was running on some kind of offer, obviously sale mein sara meko offer mein hi mila hai. So I got this one free with this one. Also got one more mini Bioderma product in offer, so this is how it looks like. I just had to show this to you guys. Now talking more about this product, now guys, I did collaborate with Bioderma I think 2 to 3 years pehle, and tab se I got my hands on this product and tab se I have been using this product. So every time I run out of this product, या जब भी वो इतना भी होने आता है ना, I just end up restocking this because that's the amount of love that I have for this product and I can't do without this product. Now if you are into makeup and if you don't know which micellar water is going to work wonders on your skin, आँख बंद करके ये product ले लो, because जब skin पे बात आती है you shouldn't compromise. थोड़ा ज़्यादा पैसे डाल के you should take the best product. So I just feel the product that you are going to use daily to remove your makeup, it should be of good quality. Okay, so moving on to the second product. The second product is also a restock product, and this is the product that I showed you in my last haul also. That was 1 year pehle I got this product. So this product is from Mamaearth Skin Correct Face Serum with niacinamide and ginger extract. Now this is how it looks like. Now if you have been an OG follower, you know that I am obsessed with this product, and I don't know, ये I think मेरा 5th या 6th bottle आराम से है, and I cannot do without this product. So yeah, I don't want to talk a lot about this product because मैंने बहुत सारे videos में इसको already review कर दिया. I'll just link the videos for your reference in the description box below जिधर मैंने ये product को review किया है. And I also got 2 minis free with this product. So the first mini is the Upton face wash, and the second mini is Mamaearth Vitamin C Sleeping Mask. I love shopping on sale because इतना सारा minis मिलता है, and I just love it. Third product that I have is again a restock. मैं सारा restock आपको फटाक से बता देती हूँ so that I can give you a review, and then we will just move on to the new products. So the third restock product that I have is Pond Super Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer. Now again, I have spoken a lot about this product in a lot of my videos. I'll leave the reference videos in the description box below if in case you're interested to know the review. And अभी जो मैं आपको 2 products बताने वाली हूँ, I just got this before the sale started, so I just thought of showing this to you guys because obviously मैं 2 products के लिए दूसरा video नहीं करने वाली हूँ, right? So I'm just quickly going to review this for you. So this product is the MCafe Naked and Raw Coffee Body Scrub. Now this is the first product that I got from MCafe, and I just wanted to know what's the hype about because this specific product is the most hyped product from MCafe, and I would say I quite like it. It's a very mild scrub, and इसके जो granules है वो आपको बिल्कुल body को harsh नहीं लगेगा. It's very mild and very gentle on your skin. So whenever you want a pampering shower session, I feel this is a must for you because as we exfoliate our face, it is important to exfoliate our body as well. If you're a coffee person, you're going to love this, but it has a very strong smell. Again, a heads up. I also got few minis with this, so I just keep it over here and I gave them away for giveaway. It came with must cute सा pouch, so वो भी मैंने giveaway में दे दी. Second product that I got is the Biotique Bio Papaya Revitalizing Tan Remover Scrub for all skin types. Now oh my god, just look at this. मैंने ना इसको पूरा खत्म भी कर दिया, इतना ही बचा है वो. And trust me, I'm going to restock this product because I am totally in love with this product. So the price is ₹75, and for 75, if you're getting such an amazing quality wala scrub, just take it. Now this product is going to help you to deeply exfoliate your skin. This is not a mild scrub, I would say. If you have a normal skin type, you should definitely go for this one, because I am saying specifically for a normal skin type, because ये ना आपके जो फेस को बहुत डीपली एक्सफोलिएट करता है. सो फॉर सेंसिटिव स्किन टाइप आई वोंट रेकमेंड दिस, बिकॉज इसके जो ग्रैन्यूल्स है ना वो थोड़े से हार्श है. सो आई जस्ट थिंक इफ यू आर अ normal skin type, it is going to work very nice for you. But if you are a sensitive acne prone skin type, just stay away from this product. Now we'll move on to the new products that I got my hands on. This is the Lakme Blush and Glow Gel Scrub Green Apple Apricot Power of Scrub Softness of Gel. Okay, fancy name. So this is how it looks like, and this retails for rupees 125. So I just want to try new skincare products for you guys, and जो थोड़ा 200 के नीचे हो. I am just planning to do a skincare related video, so I just wanted to experiment with few products, and that's why I ended up getting these two products. Next thing that I got is the Gulabari Premium Rose Water. Now this is for, I think ये सबसे cheap नहीं. Okay, this is for 75 rupees, and ये normal rose water है. So I specifically got this because I mentioned in my Miniso videos that I showed you guys that compressed sheet mask का डब्बा which I got. So I just thought that I will infuse the compressed sheet mask with rose water, and I just use this when I want my skin to feel calm and relaxed. So yeah, a very budget friendly product again. The next product that I got is a charcoal peel off mask from the Bombay Shaving Company. Now मैंने Bombay Shaving Company से again कुछ try नहीं किया है, but again this is not for me, this is for my friend, and I was feeling very generous enough, so I just got this one, and yeah, this is how it looks like. Next product that I have got are these two sheet masks. Now one is from Nykaa and one is from Face Shop. So this is how it looks like. Just because of the humidity in Mumbai, I just feel that my skin always needs that instant hydration. It's the only reason that I got sheet mask. So let's move on to sunscreens. Now I'm saying sunscreens because मेरे पास 4 sunscreens पड़े हैं इधर. Okay, so the first sunscreen that I have is the La Shield Sunscreen Gel SPF 40 oil free dermatologically tested. Now this was recommended to my mom by her dermat, and she has been religiously using this and she totally loves this product. And this one is the La Shield Matte Sunscreen Gel SPF 50 plus. So this is the sunscreen that I want to test out for myself, because I have been using the Face Guard ka sunscreen since I think 2 to 3 years, and I just thought I need to use more new products so that I can recommend it to you guys. Moving on to sunscreens for body. Now I got these sunscreen from VSCC. Now this is the D10 White Glow Moisturizing Body Lotion SPF 30 with goodness of aloe vera, paraben free. Now I got 2 bottles, दोनों same variant में, because my mom was like just stock it up because I was getting it for a very मस्त प्राइस. When I received this product from Nykaa, ये इसका पूरा बॉटल ओपन था, तो आधा प्रोडक्ट तो मेरे क्या बोलते हैं वो बबल रैप में निकल गया. सो आई वॉज वेरी मैड एट दैट. सेकेंड लास्ट ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट दैट आई हैव फॉर यू गाइज इज actually a beauty tool. Now I got this razors from Gillette Venus, and this is how it looks like. Now the first one is Gillette Venus Breeze Gel Bars with Avocado Oil for Glide and Freshia scent. The second one is Gillette Venus Glide Strip with Aloe Extract. Now I got these 2 razors now, one for my mom and one for myself. It's very important to stock good razors. Now I have not tried this variant specifically from the Gillette Venus. I personally don't shave, I only wax, but I just think razor is something that comes handy whenever you just see one hair and you're just irritated and you're running late for a freaking function. फटाफट हो गया कर दिया. So I just feel you should invest in good razors. Again, I review them in one of my videos here and there. Last item that I got are these cotton balls. Now these are these colorful cotton balls from Tulip. Actually I like stocking them up ऐसे cute से bottle में. So I got this from Miniso and 100 rupees का मुझे कुछ पड़ा था. It looks very ऐसे cute, and yeah, I just feel थोड़ा सा क्यूटनेस ऐड करने के लिए I just got colorful cotton. That's all the explanation that I have. So yeah, if you're looking for colorful cotton, this one is for you. That's everything that I have in the skincare and in the body care category. Now let's quickly move on to the makeup category. So in the makeup category, I did not restock any of my purane old products. I just thought I need to play around with makeup. So ये सारे जो products है वो new products है मेरे लिए. I did not try them. I will be making a video where I'll be trying out all these new products, because अभी तो मैं आपको सिर्फ बता रही हूँ, right? So वो video में मैं आपको review दे दूँगी. So let's start with the base first. And for my first base product, I have a foundation. Now this is the Lakme 925 Prime Plus Matte Perfect Cover Foundation. This is how it looks like. I have heard so many beauty bloggers rave about this product, so I was like, I need to get my hands on this one. If you know me, I am not into using foundation. Touch wood, I have a clear skin, so I don't feel the need to use a foundation. So just because your product का इतना ज़्यादा hype था, I just thought I need to see what the hype is about. I have a lot of high expectation from this one. And talking about the shade, I am in the shade W240 warm beige. I think I have got my shade right, but ये तो अभी next video में पता चलेगा जिधर I will be trying out these products for you guys. Next base product that I have is a concealer. Now this is from Swiss Beauty and this is how it looks like. Again guys, I have heard so many beauty bloggers rave about this product because it is on the cheaper side. I'm just hoping कि मेरा shade इसमें right हो. So I got the shade 4. Okay, 4 ही लिखा है, there is no name. Guys, I told you guys that let's start with base products and मैंने primer ही नहीं दिखाया आपको. So okay, I got a primer also, a new primer. Now this is from Colorbar. It's their flawless finish primer. Again, I went through a lot of reviews before getting my hands on this product and I'll quickly show you guys how it looks like. So this is how the product looks like. I feel the packaging is very टॉप नॉच. इट्स वेरी लग्जरियस. इट्स नॉट वो ऐसा प्लास्टिक वाला पैकेजिंग. मैंने जितने भी सारे ब्यूटी वीडियोस देखे, द वन प्राइमर दे रेकमेंडेड वाज दिस वन एंड इसका दूसरा वर्जन आता है वो भी, बट आई जस्ट थॉट आई शुड ट्राई दिस वन फर्स्ट एंड देन आई कैन जस्ट बाय द अदर वर्जन. ओके, सो दैट्स द फर्स्ट बेस प्रोडक्ट आई शुड हैव शोन यू गाइस. मूविंग ऑन टू द लास्ट बेस प्रोडक्ट दैट आई हैव फॉर यू गाइस इज अ कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर. नाउ दिस इज फ्रॉम Fit Me and this is in the shade Natural Beige. Now I specifically got this because it has SPF in it and I just thought every product that has SPF in it, it is going to be a nice one. And its price point of view is also very nice. It is only for 199 rupees. I have not tried it yet. My mom is using this religiously. So the video that I'm talking about, this way I will be reviewing all the new products for you guys. Usme I'll definitely use this and I'll give you my opinion then. So that's all the products that I have for my base. Now let's move on to a new brand that I'm trying for the first time and I will give you guys 2 seconds to guess the brand. It's none other than K Beauty, guys. Can you believe this, that I'm trying this brand for the first freaking time? I don't know what took me so long to try this one, but I'm happy that I'm finally trying this one. So let me quickly share with you guys the first product that I got from K Beauty. Now this is a color corrector and this is their new launch and this is how it looks like. Now this is in the shade Peach and this is also my first color corrector. I don't have any color corrector, so this is the first time that I'm going to try a color corrector. The second and the third product from K Beauty are her kajal. So this is how the dabbas looks like. The reason behind getting this product was that मैंने जब पहला वो स्किन केयर का मैंने जो आपको बताया which I got 2 weeks पहले, तभी we got this one also. Now this one is from Lakme, the 925 gel kajal. My mom wanted a kajal to use on a daily basis which is obviously smudge proof, but this is something that smudges like a crazy thing. I don't know what's with this, but it smudges like पूरा ऐसा निकल जाता है वो. And yeah, this is how it looks like. This is how the product looks like. It comes with a small brush. Now my mom has been using the Maybelline kajal, gel kajal, and she pretty much likes it. But again, even she was trying to experiment with me, but the experiment went wrong and she is not at all liking this product. So hence when the Nykaa Hot Thing sale started, we just thought of getting our hands on the smudge proof kajal from K Beauty. So we just got one in the shade ONYX. So now since we got the package, she has been using this religiously and she is in love with this. And even I can see that जब भी mom office से वापस आती है, her kajal is intact. It does not spread at all. It does not smudges at all, and it is a waterproof kajal. So I'll quickly swatch this for you guys. See, just look at it. It is so freaking black. So if you're looking for a kajal which does not smudge you and pura 9 to 5 chalega, this is the kajal that you should definitely get. Don't get this one because it's a waste of money. Now I got one more kajal. Now this is for myself and this is in the shade Spade. ये अलग रेंज से है उनके. This is a Cold Star kajal and yeah, this is how it looks like. इनका packaging same ही है, बस ये थोड़ा सा top है इसका थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा बड़ा है. But I'll again swatch this for you. See, it is again, it's very black, it's very pigmented. So just because I got 3 K Beauty products, it was running on some kind of offer, and hence I ended up getting a free crayon lipstick as well. Now this is in the shade Playback, and this is how it looks like. I'll quickly swatch this one for you guys. The thing with crayons is like, I don't know, I'm not very handy to use them because जब भी मैं इसको open करती हूँ ना, I'm just so freaking scared कि ये निकल नहीं जाए, and अभी वो ही हुआ. So yeah, I'm not a big fan of crayon pencils, but इसका जो formula है, that is very creamy. As you can see, it's a very creamy formula. I have not used it on my lips, so yeah, I don't know अगर ये long lasting है कि नहीं. So that's everything that I got from K Beauty. Let's just stick to lips, and for my lips I have 2 more products. Now this is from Pack Cosmetics. Now this is the first time that I'm trying Pack Cosmetics, and I am totally in love. So this is the first thing that I got from Pack. Now this is how it looks like. So this is their Pack Retro Matte Gloss Lipstick. Now this is exactly what I'm wearing on my face right now, and look at it. It looks so freaking amazing, and trust me, I am in love with the formulation, the way it sits on my lips. It is so lightweight. So if you are looking for a lipstick जो ये सारा चीज करता है, go for a Pack one. Now I wanted to get a brown shade, so hence I ended up getting this क्योंकि मेरा जो Maybelline Fit Me वाला fighter था वो खत्म हो गया था. So yeah, I'm very impressed with this one, and I feel I did a good job and I got this one. So I had to just mention this, that I am in love with this packaging. Next product that I got from Pack is a lip liner. Now this is in the shade So Spicy. So I'll quickly swatch this one for you. Okay, so this is the shade that I'll just swatch for you. This is how it looks like. Again, it is a beautiful brown mauve shade. I love brown and mauve shades. It's just me. It screams Rutuja, I feel. I mean, I am in love with everything that's mauve and brown when it comes to my lips. इसका जो formulation है, it is very creamy, and as you can see, it is looking nice on me, right? Moving on to my eyebrows. So for my eyebrows, I got a drugstore wala product because till now I was using Benefit wala eyebrow pencil, so I just thought drugstore ka I should try. So the product that I got is the Blue Heaven pencil. So the best part about the pencil is obviously uska price point, that it retails for 150. But apart from that, the best part is that it comes with a freaking spoolie. जो मैं बेनिफिट का 1200 या 1500 समथिंग का जो मैं पेंसिल यूज करती थी वो भी एक स्पूली के साथ में आता था, एंड दिस फ्रिकिंग पेंसिल फॉर 150 कम्स विद अ स्पूली. So I think just because I saw the spoolie, I was totally sold. Last product that I have for you guys is a nail pen remover. Now this is from Swiss Beauty, and this is their Dip and Twist nail pen remover. So this is how it looks like. So basically you have to just dip your finger and twist it, and पूरा जो nail paint है वो निकल जाता है. Whoever has made this product, God bless you. This is a freaking time saver. That's everything that I got from the Nykaa Hot Pink sale. I hope you guys enjoy watching this huge Nykaa haul. And yeah, let me know in the comments box below which was your favorite product that you're looking forward to try. And also make sure you're subscribing to my channel because as I said, I'll be trying all these new products in my upcoming videos. So yeah, stay tuned, you know the drill. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video on YouTube. And that being said, I'll see you in my next video. Until then, live and let live. Take care.